Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I will show the OBS Studio base setting for screen recording step by steps and also how to record your screen. I will give the link of OBS Studio download link in the description box and OBS Studio download and installation video which I made before. You can change your auto configuration wizard setting later if you want to. Go to
Click the Tools, Auto Configuration Wizard. Three options come here as I'm recording my screen. So click on it, then Next. Here the base canvas resolution. That means the display you want to capture. So I want this, and this is frames per second. There are several options here, 30 or 60, and if you have a faster computer, so you can use 60, or if you have slower, so you can use 30. It's depend on your computer speed. Hit Next. Apply these settings for OBS Studio scene. Right now we don't have nothing over here, so go to my sources. So what actually I want to capture, for my case I want to record my screen. So click this plus icon, display capture, hit OK. It's an automatic capture method. I want my cursor, everything looks okay, so hit OK. So you can see your scene come together. We can see the display coming up now. And right now I want my audio. Click on it. First I need my audio input. So audio input capture, click OK, and I need to give my device. This is microphone array, Intel Smart Sound technology for digital microphones. So I will use that one. Click OK. I need to give my output capture also, audio output capture. Default, it's a speaker. Hit OK. Right now, I actually want to set my settings. In the file, go to settings. For the general, it's English, and leave as it's. For the stream, no change. For the output, for the simple method, so for the streaming, I actually do the recording. So this is the recording path you want to give it. So for the browser, so you see it's a video that I'm capturing here, or you can make a folder over here like video recordings, select folder. So browse videos, video recording. So it comes and generate file name without space. So I click here. So everything is high quality, medium size, okay. For the recording format, I actually want MP4. So I'm choosing MP4 over here. There is a warning comes, will be unrecoverable file if the file cannot be finalized. Sometimes if you have power is gone, so sometimes if you choose, if it's a long video, so maybe you lose your whole screen recording, but this is okay. For the encoder, this one is okay. Click apply. For the audio, everything looks okay, but you need to choose the auxiliary audio. From here, this is the microphone array. Everything looks okay. Apply. For the video, for the base canvas resolution, leave it like that. For the output resolution, it's okay. And if your computer is struggling with this resolution, so you can actually lower down your resolution, choose the lower one instead of this one. Maybe this. I just want to leave it like that. And downscale filter, is it okay? No downscaling required. So resolution match, as the resolution match, so you doesn't need any downscale required. And like if I use like this one, so this one is fine as default. And as my laptop is not that much powerful, so I just leave it 30. Hit apply. Okay. So right now I will show you how to start recording. So click start recording and then just minimize it. I'm recording this screen. Okay, go here and click stop recording. From here, go to file, show recordings. So you see the recording is here. Click on it. Media or TV, or you can play with media player always.
Recording and then just minimize it. I'm recording this.
So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.